Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Hello children, welcome to our language class. Last time we learned blend bl and kl, bl and kl. Those are beginning blend. Today we are going to learn ending blend, which is nk, nk. This is bl. Now let's blend n and k together. Nk, nk. Now using these blends we are going to build some words. So let's start. If you have this worksheet with you, can you please cut all these letters and pictures around the dotted line and keep it like this. The pictures on one side and the letters on other side. What do you see here? This is a picture of blank page. So we are going to build word blank. Blank. Bl, blank. 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 Now you are going to make your own word blank. So what is the beginning sound of blank? Bl. Bl. Blank. Blank. Now next word. The ending blend will be nd. Nd. Now we are going to blend N and D together. Nd. Nd. Now here we are going to build word blend. Blend. Bl. Blend. 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 Now you make your own word now. Blend. Next word we are going to use blend kl and mp. The beginning blend will be kl and ending blend will be mp. Kl. Now let's blend M and P together. Mp. Now here we are going to build word clamp. 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 Now you build your own word now. Next word we are going to use blend bl and digraph k. This is blend because we can hear both sound in it. B, bl, bl. But here you blend two letters together, but you can hear only one sound. K. That's called digraph. Blend and digraphs are different, but we can build word with them. Now let's try to build word. This is bill. This is here we are going to blend C and K together. Makes K sound. Now we are going to make word black. B, B, A, B, A, K. Black. Now we are going to build block. B, B, A, B, A, K. Block, block. Now here we are going to use blend K and diagram K, and we're going to build word. K, now we are going to build word clock. K, K, A, K, A, K. Clock. Now let's build word click. K, K, A, K, A, K. Click. In next word, we are going to use blend K and diagram S. K, S, S, S. Class. K, K, A, K, A, S. Class. If you have this worksheet, we are going to use this worksheet to write down the words. Now I'm going to show you how. Now here you are going to learn how to write word by looking at it pictures and build word all by yourself. So I'm going to show you the first one. Now here this is picture of blank. B, B, L, B, B, A, B, A, N, K, N, K. Blank, blank. Can you write down the word blank on your worksheet? Now we are going to build word blend. Now you are going to write down on your worksheet next to picture of blend. 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 Can you write it down now? Now let's write down clamp. 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 Now let's build word black. Black. Block. B A K. Block. Clock. C A K. Clock. Class. C A S. Class. Click. C A. Click. Now if we have this worksheet with you, you are going to cut all these pictures and the words around the dotted line. And then we are going to read the word and match that word with their picture. Now we'll read all the words and match that word with their picture. Blend. 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 Now can you find word blend and match it with that picture? Blend. Blend. Like this. Block. 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 Blank. blank, blank. Black, black, black. Click, click, click. Clock, clock, clock. Clamp, 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 clamp. Class, class. Are you done matching all your words with their pictures? Great. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.